Okay, so hello everyone from NS3EDU. So today we are going to learn that how we can install the ASA images on the EVE-NG. So first thing that you need a VMware. You can install it with the help of Google. You can find the files on the Google. After that you have to install the EVE-NG setup on this VMware. After that you will just open this EVE-NG. Okay, and after installing the EVE-NG you will get one IP address. Just wait for a while. So we got one IP address 192.168.2.128. We'll open that IP on our browser 192.168.2.128. Okay, after that you will get one login section. In that login section you will write admin and eve, that is the default ID password for the EVE-NG. Then you will go here in the node section and you will see that you guys don't have this blue type thing on the written here like Cisco ASA and Cisco ASA. In my EVE-NG it is showing because I have already installed the EVE-NG. So to install this image, what you guys have to do, you guys need one software called WinSCP. You will open this software, okay, and then after that you will have to go into the login section and write your this IP address of whatever you got on the EVE-NG 192.168.2.128. After writing this, the password will be the eve. Okay, so here you will go, it will open section like this. Let me go here. So you will go here in the OPT. After that you will go into the unit lab. Then you will go into the add-ons. After that you will go into the QEMU, and here you will install all the files of ASA. So what you guys have to do, you guys have to just like whatever files you have, you just have to drag that file into this section. Okay, after that you have to go into the files will be installed there. After installing those files, you will go into the EVE-NG login section. Here you will write root and eve. By default the password for here is root and eve, and here you will run one fixed permission command. Okay, so whenever you install the new images, you have to run this fixed permission command for the EVE-NG. You can find it on the Google. Just click here, and here this is the command that you have to run on the VMware. Just copy it and go to the edit section and just paste it. Okay, after that just click enter here. Okay, I like to run this command 2 times, okay, because it's safe. Okay, when you run this command 2 times, you just have to come here, and you will see that you also get this blue section of Cisco ASA and Cisco ASA-V. And after this you have to just save it. Okay, you will get this ASA image. Let me open the ASA-V also. I'll share one link for these images on the description. After that just select it and open it. It will take little bit time. Just open it. So as you can see, our firewall, ASA firewall, is booting. So this is how we can install our ASA image on the EVE-NG. So that's it for today guys. Bye bye.